Hi there, I'm Nick Barraclough, President at AKCP, and today I'll introduce to you our airflow sensor. This sensor is an on-off type airflow sensor. We do have an air velocity sensor that gives you actual airflow readings. This one is more based on a sensitivity threshold. So let's take a closer look at this. So here's the airflow sensor. We have two thermistors, and one will be heated and the other is at ambient temperature. And we measure the resistance inside of these, and the difference between the two gives us some indication as to the amount of airflow that is happening. So within the SP Plus user interface, you will select the sensitivity threshold. So you could place this in front of a fan, for example, and when the fan is blowing, we will detect that there's airflow, and when the fan is off, we won't. So to calibrate this to your own setup, you would want to turn the fan on, turn the fan off, and adjust the sensitivity to the point where when the fan is on, it shows airflow, and when it's off, it shows no airflow. Going over to the back here, we have our standard mounting options. So it can be DIN rail mounted, it can be mounted with cable ties through these loops here, and it can also be screwed onto the wall as well. So lots of different options for mounting this wherever you need it to be. Now let's take a look at a 3D animation that gives you an indication as to how this will be used. Here is the user interface of the SP Plus, where you can monitor your airflow sensor. Airflow status and graphing is displayed here on customized desktops. From here you can also edit the settings of the sensor. In the settings you can change parameters such as the sensor name and the description of the sensor in normal and critical conditions. Calibration of the airflow sensor is also done from here. Advanced settings such as editing the rearm value, which helps to eliminate false positives and reduce the number of alerts, are found here, as well as the calendar function. Continuous time settings also help to reduce excessive alerts if the sensor fluctuates between critical and normal rapidly. So make AKCP your choice for monitoring airflow today.